The question is, point O is the center of a circle with circumference 12. The point P is another point inside the circle. Okay. The greatest distance from P to a point on the circle plus the least distance from P to a point on the circle. Okay. Then we can draw this figure like it was a circle and O is the center of the circle. Okay. The circumference is 12. So as this we know, circumference 2 pi r is equal 12 here. So pi r is equal to 6, pi r is equal 6. The radius r is equal 6 by pi. Pi was 3.1416. That means 6 by 3.1416 will make a value like it's just less than 2, a bit less than 2. Okay. Then point P is another point inside the circle. Another point is, let's say it was O, another point is P. The quantity A, the greatest distance from P to a point on the circle plus. So the greatest distance from this P will be just like this point and plus least distance from P to a point on the circle. So the least distance is this side, this point. You can see it goes through the center. So it's the diameter of this line makes the diameter of the circle. Okay. Then the radius of the circle. The radius we found, the radius of the circle was less than 2. Then the diameter will be just less than 4. But quantity B is 4. Then quantity B is greater than.